Good morning, friends. You all know that according to section 26 of the CPC, we file a civil suit, then in the shape of plaint, and we give the pleadings. The other person will be called through by issuing the summons and order 5. He will be called to the court. He will be asked to submit the written explanation under our date, written statement. Then after furnishing the same, the court will frame the issues under order 14. Right? So this is the general process. So then they will decide the suit. This is for everything. So you know that there are certain class of suits or special class of suits, that is suits by aliens, interpreter suit by intelligent persons, all these things, they are all special suits. So besides all these things, there is another type of suit which is called as friendly suit. Please remember, it is a friendly suit. Here normally there will be no formal filing of plaintiff, defendant, case and all these things. Whenever they get a doubt regarding the distribution of assets, regarding the terms and implementation of the terms of the contract and other things, then definitely basically there is no dispute between the parties, but still they want opinion of the court. This is just like the arbitration. Arbitration, of course, you must have some dispute. Here, even definitely without dispute, nobody will go to the court. But it is a friendly dispute. So, Order 36 deals with, and also Section 90 CPC deals with the so-called special cases which are called as the friendly suits. So, please remember, in these suits, normally the parties need not file a plaint. The parties need not file the so-called written statement. But they can entertain the decision of the court regarding the question of fact or question of law. By the normally they have to enter, first of all they have to enter an agreement. For that, Rule 1 says the parties may enter into an agreement in writing and offer the question for opinion of the court. This is nothing but just like opinion of the court. So first, for this they have to pay a sum of money as determined by the court, because tomorrow they will go away. So whatever it is, as a precautionary or secure deposit, the court may ask some amount to be deposited and they have to pay that amount. And also, suppose if it is a property dispute, some property to be delivered by one party to the other. First of all, you do it, then we will decide, you can get it back, retransmit the same also. The court may tell like that and they have to do it. And the third one is, one or more of the parties shall refrain from doing certain acts. Normally, all of them may not be so-called litigants. Some of them may be litigants, so they will be refrained. They will be asked not to enter into the dispute, and they cannot enter into the dispute. So then normally, when once such friendly suit is filed, according to Rule 3, the court will give a number. It will assign number as though it is a suit. Right, then the court will straight away set down for hearing the suit, and of course after taking the evidence, then the court shall pronounce the judgment. And please remember, in this connection, Rule 6 says no appeal will be there. Because it is a friendly suit, no appeal will be there on a rule passed by the court. So one case also I want to tell you. This is the case of Santosh Rani versus Sitaram 2014. Santosh Rani versus Sitaram 2014. Actually, this Santosh Rani has given a friendly loan of about 45,000 to Sitaram for starting some company. The appellant, Mr. Sitaram, he has taken the money from her. So when years have gone by, it has become 1 lakh. So because of the friendship, she could not ask him. Ultimately, on one occasion, she has pressed him for the money, and he has paid 55,000, right, and promised to pay the remaining of the amount in installments. But of course, he did not pay the amount, and actually they are not able to. They have not taken any. There is no written agreement to sale or something, written agreement, or there is no promissory note. In such cases, as a friendly approach, they approach the court, and here the point is, so whether Mr. Sitaram has to pay the remaining amount of 45,000 to this man Santosh Rani or not. So friendly, they wanted the opinion of the court. Of course, the court has opined in some way. Of course, whether they agreed or not, they have to pay, because they have to in advance. They have to pay some money. They have to deposit some money in the court, and it has gone to Santosh Rani. So briefly, this is regarding the friendly suits. Please remember section 90 and also order 36. Thank you very much.